Lovely morning, Richmond Park spin. I'm here with another YouTube vlogger. This is weird.
Yeah.
I don't usually ride with someone else who makes videos.
Yeah.
Lawrence is the closest thing, but it takes him a long time.
Yeah, he doesn't really make videos anymore, does he?
Giacomo, welcome to the videos.
Hello.
This is Richmond Park, but it's a dreamland with no cars in it.
Yeah, I'm really lucky to have this pretty close by.
It's never like this. I didn't think you'd be that fast. I came out for an easy ride. So we haven't actually met before. Turns out Giacomo is the tallest 14-year-old in the world and he does like 1,000,000 watts. So it's just as bad as riding with Tobias.
No.
No more efforts. No more efforts.
No way I can do 500 watts in 3 minutes.
So as well as getting a nice ride in this morning, it's also Shuhenna's birthday. She's carrying a giant balloon around with her on the bike, which she got as a present. I don't know where all of her other presents are because she got loads from people this morning. Maybe she hid them in a bush or something. Happy birthday!
Thank you, why thank you?
How are you? You're looking very fast, except for that non-aero balloon.
And my non-aero hijab. So I was supposed to be riding to Paris today.
You've gone the wrong way.
I was signed up for London to Paris from 15th to 19th of July. And because of coronavirus, it's got postponed. We're supposed to arrive for the final stage of the tour. So I thought I'm going to do 300 miles this week anyway, just for the jokes.
Today?
No.
All today?
All week.
Richmond Park's nearly as good as Paris.
Must be a bit more difficult actually. A bit more difficult.
How many times of Richmond Park do I have to do to get like Paris distance?
Oh, I don't know. We'll start counting. We'll work it out. You start riding.
7 divided by...
So, great ride and nice to catch up with those guys. But now it's raining. And I haven't got a bag with me, so this camera's gonna get soaked. My bike's gonna get soaked. I'm gonna get soaked. Maybe it's only a shower. Today is actually a really busy day, so I'm loading up on coffee. I need to run some errands in town, finally get this mess of a haircut, the lockdown hair, sorted. And then it's double birthday day. My friend Louise is also celebrating her birthday, so we're gonna go for pizza. Now I'm just hoping it stops raining so I can ride into town. While I'm here at home, everybody's favourite viewer David has been at the guitar pedals again. He said he wasn't expecting me to use it on camera, but I think I'm going to anyway. Actually, while I'm here and the camera's set up, I just wanted to have a bit of an intermission in today's video and say thank you. Thank you for just watching this channel. Not that it's really a thing I should be focusing on that hard, because creating the videos on its own is enough, but the view counts have been so much higher than usual recently. Hopefully it's down to the videos being entertaining and people sharing and watching them, but that's just given me a huge amount of motivation to carry on with this format of videos. I don't think the vlog format of video making is as big as it used to be. People have definitely changed the style of videos they're making, but I absolutely fell in love with the style of just documenting stuff and posting it day after day or almost daily. I'm still enjoying it now just as much as I did on day one, 4 or 5 years ago maybe now. I've been doing a little bit of thinking as to what I can do next with this channel and how I can keep pushing to make the content as interesting as possible. But yeah, I just wanted to say a big thank you. It wouldn't be possible without you guys watching and to reach the scale that it's currently at. So thanks. Now time for a haircut. Hour and 15 minutes it takes me to get into town. Quite a long commute for a haircut. But life's too short for shit haircuts. What, mate?
How you doing?
You look very prepared.
I am incredibly prepared. I imagine that you've probably got COVID.
Maybe.
Definitely.
I haven't been out that much. I don't have that many friends.
You look like you've got it.
How are you? How's business been?
It's been an interesting return. The city's still quite quiet, but you know, lots of people are riding in.
Yeah.
To come get haircuts, which is ace. We were quite busy working on our charity actually, so we didn't get as much of a break as maybe you would want, but
We've never talked about your charity on here.
we have never talked about my charity.
Do you want to plug it?
So I have a charity called The New Normal with 2 of my friends. It's designed to help support young people who are going through or suffering from grief, from bereavement. So we host regular meetups, previously in central London, now we do them virtually every single week, where young adults kind of come together and they share their stories and their experiences, and they kind of get advice from one another on how to kind of deal with the situations and circumstances that they're finding themselves in from having lost people they love.
I'll put some details down below to that if people want to find out more. Haircut feels good. Makes you feel normal during these strange times. You should definitely check out that link below about Ben's charity. He works on some pretty cool stuff, and he's a good barber as well. Can't show you my hair. It's under a helmet. It's good, I promise. So, caught up with Daisy. Pizza time.
Good morning and welcome to today's video. Welcome to another Francis CADE vlog. This is number 10,024. We're doing a new bike day today. This is my bike. As you see, these are good for going round. We got disc brakes for stopping. Stopping's good. These are good if you fall off your bike and hit your head. Stay safe, kids. This is one of those clever, twisty thingies, you know, for your bottle. Use promo code Francis10 to get a discount. See you next week. We'll be having a bike fit again.
Yours looks disgusting.
What's wrong with it?
Whose dog is it?
It's the dog from the sausage advert.
I can smell something.
Who does it belong to?
It's ours now.